Hi, welcome back. Today we're making egg spread and fresh mayonnaise. These are the ingredients that you will need for our egg spread. If you want to learn how to do French mayonnaise, we have a separate video for that. Let's begin. First, let's take our eggs and put it in a shallow saucepan. Make sure that all your eggs are submerged in the water. Set your eggs to boil. And while waiting for that, you can prepare your bell peppers. Remove the seeds in the middle. Wash it thoroughly. Julienne and finely mince. You can use red bell peppers or green bell peppers. They only differ slightly in flavor. For your eggs, so once they already start boiling, lower the heat down to a simmer. Simmering has small bubbles, so you have to watch out for that. Once you are done with the bell peppers, you might want to put them over a tissue paper so that it can dry. Sometimes they release a liquid and that can make your spread spoil easier. Check back on your boiling water. If it's already boiling, you can now start your timer. You want 10 minutes for hard-boiled eggs. Make sure that your eggs were at room temperature when you started. If your eggs are too cold before you boil it, it will be harder to peel. Once the 10 minutes is done, quickly wash your eggs with cold running water, and submerge them until it is cool to the touch. And now you can peel all the eggs quickly and as smoothly as possible. If your eggs were again too cold at the beginning and then you boiled it, it will become more difficult to peel because the thin membrane would stick to the egg. The same way, if you don't wash it immediately, that will also cause the skin to stick. And now, to avoid additional bacteria growth, we put tissue paper to absorb the liquid from the eggs. And our fresh mayonnaise are now seasoned with salt, pepper, and sugar. We also add our pickles there for an extra kick, an extra sourness, and for the taste as well. And then we add our dry green bell peppers. Before the final mix, we need to make sure to cut our eggs into parmentier or medium dice or brunoise small dice. It depends on how chunky you want your egg salad or egg spread to be. Once you are done, just give it a mix. And it's now ready for storage. To store it, make sure that your container is completely dry and clean. Transfer your spread and cover airtight. And keep in the refrigerator for about a week or two. And there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed our egg spread. Thank you and goodbye.